Well, can you imagine the view when you first homesteaded in 1906? And that's your view from your house without anything else there. And then like Okotoks doesn't exist. And it's just, that's your view.
Hi, this is Robin from Two Birds Furniture. Today we are in the beautiful MDF foothills in the town of Okotoks. We are on site of an original homestead and we will be reclaiming this beautiful barn and original home piece by piece. Come with me inside and meet my husband Clint and see how the process is done.
Well, welcome to the inside of the barn where we've started the teardown. We did the floor first, and what we're doing today is we're going to start taking shingles off the roof and peeling that so we can get access to the roof boards. And then we'll start taking trusses down hopefully tomorrow and opening it up so that we can get access to the main part of the barn. They ran these 3x10s all the way through, so they come all the way up from the bottom. So we're trying to get access to the timbers because that's where the most value of this building is going to be. So the original, which we just pulled off the tin, is the original red, which they would have used because, well, the reason they used red is because they had all the rust laying around from different steel elements, and they mixed that rust with oil and it was kind of a reddish tinge. That's why barns are red. And then they got red paint and away they went. But what they did is, you can see if you look close here and we zoom in, the different layers. So at one point they painted over the red, it looks like with teal. And this tin is even teal as well. And then they painted and finished everything with a white and black trim. So this barn's gone through probably 3 different transformations. When they did the addition of the lean-to on the other side, this is when they did the white at that point. But originally when it was first standing, it would have been this red color, as is tradition. This whole lean-to is gonna come off so that we can get easier access to the side of the barn, because there's nothing in this section. All the corrals are out, all the good stuff's out. The rest of it's just old 2x4s, and it's not really, there's not much value for the town to keep it.
The barn and the home will be salvaged piece by piece. With those pieces, we will be saving all of the good components. All of those good components are going to be going down and stored within the Town of Okotoks site. And what their plan is there's going to be a community center put in place in future development. All of that original homestead material will be used in that new development.
So the beauty of being able to do a project like this is that we're able to salvage the history on a local site using local companies and be able to put this material back into this location in the future.
With the material that we salvage from these structures, we're able to create many things for the home and office. So what we do is ceiling beams, feature walls, barn doors, any type of custom built-in, lots of custom furniture, and you name it, we can build it.
What you'll see is the big boards, they're basically going to be really, really good for faux beams, faux mantles. A lot of the things you're going to see in kind of that modern farmhouse look. So that's what we try to salvage and save, and we cat's claw those off, so we actually de-nail those each nail at a time versus popping them with a crowbar. The 1x4s and the 1x6s in the roof, they're going to end up probably going into little pieces of furniture, picture frames, accents, or being milled, depending on how many nails are inside on the roof. So we're at the end of the day here at our Darcy teardown. We're just finalizing the side of the roof here. Within 3 days, we'll have the rest of the roof off, and we'll be working on them 3x12s that we saw inside. And basically, by Wednesday, Thursday next week, it'll look like she was never here.